When production-grade AI systems scale to billion-vector workloads, the infrastructure begins to choke. You see the latency spikes first, sudden, crippling delays that break the user experience. The industry's reflex is to throw hardware at the problem, racking more compute and bleeding budgets dry on over-provisioned GPUs to brute force a path through the data. But the engineering teams maintaining sub-millisecond speeds at that scale aren't looking at server racks. They've realized the solution isn't physical power, it's structural finesse. The friction dragging down your cluster isn't in the silicon, it originates in the foundational indexing of the vector database itself. Maintaining performance while processing massive datasets is a brutal test of high-dimensional geometry, where finding a single needle in a billion-point haystack requires more than just raw horsepower. The trap usually triggers during hybrid search, the simple act of looking for visual similarity while filtering for a rigid metadata attribute, like a specific price or label. But standard post-filtering often hits a wall. The search begins spiraling out of control as it wildly scans across unrelated clusters, fighting a losing battle against the index's own logic. A single, seemingly minor metadata constraint can force the entire system into a resource-draining brute force scan that brings the cluster to its knees. To solve this, engineers turn to HNSW, the architectural holy grail, widely considered the definitive answer for scalable vector search. This is the iconic multi-layered graph, the tiered structure built to navigate proximity across the vector space. Yet, as dimensionality increases, the math changes. That celebrated hierarchy effectively vanishes, leaving behind a memory-heavy artifact that consumes massive overhead while providing absolutely zero speed advantage. The most advanced practitioners are already moving past these legacy configurations, refusing to accept the performance trade-offs of standard indexing. They are uncovering a hidden reality in the vector space, flat hub highways that allow for lightning-fast traversal without the weight of vertical layers. True optimization relies on isolating these predicate-agnostic subgraphs, dynamically restructuring the search geometry to exploit highways that standard systems don't even see. This is the mandate for billion-scale engineering, sub-millisecond retrieval, regardless of the workload. Abandon the illusion that more hardware will fix a broken index. Master the geometric constraints of the space instead. How exactly do you dynamically filter metadata and flatten your HNSW graph into a high-speed hub without breaking your production environment? Access the exact geometric optimizations and code-level mechanics used by top-tier AI teams in the full technical breakdown. Advanced Vector Database Optimization.